How to activate EastWest credit card online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to activate EastWest credit card online. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for eastwestbanker.com. On the home page, tap on the online banking button in the upper right corner. Further, tap on the EastWest Online Personal option. Now on the EastWest Online page, log yourself in. Go through the general terms and conditions governing EastWest Bank accounts and scroll down and tap on the checkbox that states, I have read and agree with the EW Electronic Banking Services Terms and Conditions. Once done, tap on the Continue button. Next, tap Yes on the confirmation message and enter your card number and then enter your PIN. Further, tap on the Confirm button. Now verify your identity by going through the displayed screen prompts. Create your username and password and then select and answer the security questions. Now carefully review the information you have provided and finally tap on the Confirm button, and with this your credit card will be activated. So, this is how you can activate EastWest credit card online. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.